It is the letter A. So, A is for apple. Apple. Shiny red apple. So, now we are going to trace the letter A. How to trace that? We are going to trace it up across the head. This is the head area, right? Then again, then join the line. What is this? It's letter A. Now, once again we are going to write it. Starting from this, 2 slanting lines. Then join it. What is this? This is the letter A. Once again. Can we write it? A. Now, this is the letter B. B is for ball. Bounce, bounce, ball. B, B. Let's trace it down the line. 2 bumps. We made it, right? Once again, we are going to write it. 1 standing line and 2 curve. What is this? This is the letter B. Once again, we are going to write it. B. Now comes letter C. C is for k. Cat. Soft and small. Cat. Meow. Who says meow? Cat. Make a car like a half circle wall. Make a car like a half circle wall. Once again we are going to write. See, this is letter C. Can you write it? Letter C. Okay. Now comes letter D. D is for dog. Happy and loud. Woof, 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 woof. Straight line down. Then curve it round. Straight line down, then curve it round. Once again we are going to write it. Standing line, 1 curve. To make it round. Once again, standing line and a curve. So A, B, C, D. Come trace with me. Lines and curves, so easy to see. So you learn from letter A to letter D. Okay. If you want this kind of practice sheets, then you can message us. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Please follow and subscribe Kiddoctive Homeschooling FB page. Follow on Insta and Thread.